Yeah, so that's the mobile we are going to talk. This is the true successor for the Moto Edge 50 Pro, that is the Moto Edge 60 Pro. So in this video we're going to talk about this mobile complete features. So this mobile comes with a 6.78 inches of typical OLED display, and it is going to be a 120Hz refresh rate display protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2. And when we talk about this mobile's processor, it is going to come with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 4. I don't know why they are not giving the Elite chip, but that's okay. So this is a octa-core processor and it is a 5G processor, gaming processor. When we talk about this mobile's 5G bands, this mobile might comes with a 13 5G bands in India. And when we talk about this mobile's availability, this will be available in 8GB RAM 256, 12GB 256, and also 512GB internal storage variants. Now these are going to be UFS 4.0 storage capacities along with the LPDDR5X RAM types. And when we talk about this mobile's camera, it is going to be below in the camera section for any mobile. This mobile comes with a triple rear cameras where we can find 50 megapixels of main wide angle camera with optical image stabilization, 50 megapixels of ultra wide angle camera, and also a 50 megapixels of telephoto camera. For the front, here is the blast news that this mobile comes with a 60 megapixels of main front facing selfie camera. Yeah, it is humongous, yes. When we talk about the battery, it is going to be a 5000 milliamp hours of battery with 144 watts of fast charge through wire. But there is no wireless or reverse wireless chargings for this mobile. This mobile is going to come with the IP68 water and dust resistant proof also. And when we talk about this mobile's build quality, it is going to be a complete metal and glass build. And when we talk about this mobile's multimedia, it is going to come with a there is no 3.5mm jack for this mobile, and also there is a stereo speaker system for this mobile like all the mobiles. And when we talk about the box contents, this mobile comes with a charger and also a cable and TPU case and the mobile itself and SIM ejector tool and all this stuff. And when we talk about this mobile's other features, like this mobile runs on Android version 15 out of the box with the Moto UI latest version. And when we talk about this mobile's connectivity, this mobile comes with the Wi-Fi 7 tri-band Wi-Fi support and Bluetooth 5.4 NFC. This mobile comes with all the sensors like gyroscope, proximity sensor, accelerometer, compass, everything. When we talk about this mobile's price range and also the release date, this mobile is going to release by the end of this month or by the start of March. The price of this mobile is going to be a 59,910. That means it is going to be a 60,000 rupees mobile. That price range, I would say, let's wait till the mobile releases. If this mobile releases, I'll tell you which mobile to buy at that price range, because we have a lot of good options there. So this is all about the features of this mobile, and if you like this video, hit the like button and also the subscribe button and share this video a bit.